So here's how to pay with Revolut Junior card. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. Make sure the card is activated and linked to your Revolut Junior account. When making a purchase in store, hand over the physical card to the cashier similar to using any other debit card. If you are making an online purchase, enter the card details, card number, expiration date and CVV number during the checkout process, just like the way with any other debit card. For contactless payments, tap the card on the payment terminal if it supports contactless transactions. If you are using a mobile device, you can also add the Revolut Junior card to your mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay and use it for contactless payments. So that's how to pay with your Revolut Junior card.